In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up invoicing with Intuit QuickBooks. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring that you are ready to manage your invoicing processes efficiently and effectively. So, let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks account. If you run into any login issues, consider contacting QuickBooks support for assistance. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which acts as the central hub for accessing all the tools QuickBooks has to offer. The home page is where you'll begin setting up your invoices. Now, with the home page open, look for the New button. It typically appears on your screen's toolbar, and it's where you can access a range of new transactions and operations that QuickBooks supports. Clicking on this will open up a list of options. As you familiarize yourself with this list, you'll notice that it includes a variety of options, such as creating expenses, checking estimates, and more. But for today, our focus is solely on creating an invoice. From the list that appears when you click on New, go ahead and select Invoice. This is an essential tool for any small to medium-sized business that's looking to streamline its billing processes. Clicking on Invoice will take you to a dedicated section where you can start crafting the perfect invoice for your services or products. Once you're in the invoice section, you might see an option or prompt to activate payments. This step is crucial for those who want their clients to have a seamless payment experience directly from the invoice. By clicking on Activate Payments, you enable functionalities such as credit card processing and bank transfer options, making it easier for your clients to pay and for you to get paid faster. Enabling this feature can significantly enhance cash flow by providing immediate and convenient payment options. After activating payments, you'll find a Save and Continue button. Clicking this will ensure that all the changes you've made are saved, and it allows you to proceed with more invoicing tasks or explore additional features. It's always a good practice to save your work frequently to avoid data loss. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've now set up invoicing within QuickBooks through the Intuit platform. This process is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, perfect for those who are new to the software or simply looking to refine their accounting practices. Remember, managing your finances efficiently through invoices can make a big difference in how smoothly your business operates. If you need more tips, be sure to explore other guides available on Intuit and QuickBooks, and don't hesitate to reach out to their support team if you encounter any hurdles.